next concept here. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. In the previous class you learned angle sum property of triangle, right? So here we will learn angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So first see the theorem. Theorem statement is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is a 360. Sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is a 360. Means if you add all the angles, how many angles are there in quadrilateral? There are 4 angles in the quadrilateral. That is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. If you add these 4 angles, should get the sum is a 360 degree. Clear? Maybe 90 degree, 30, 60, but finally total angle you must get 360 degree. Clear? If you add any angles of a quadrilateral, the answer you must get a 360 degree. Clear? So that you have to write the proof. Okay? The statement says that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is a 360. Now you have to write the proof. Why it is the 360? How it is 360? We get the proof. Okay. So now first you have to write down what is given. This is the procedure. So if any theorem is given, you write first what is given in the statement. So in statement, see the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. So now you can understand the shape is a quadrilateral. It may be square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, any. Clear? So now we drawn one quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is the quadrilateral. Okay. Now what is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Clear? So this is the given in the statement, quadrilateral. So next what we need to prove? We need to prove that So first we write down to prove. We need to prove that angle A, sum of 4 angles. So 4 angles sum you must get 360 degree. Clear? That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. If you add 4 angles of quadrilateral, you get answer 360 degree. Clear? So that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Clear? 4 angles will get a 360 degree. Okay. Next, to write the proof of this theorem, so you have to do one construction. Can join BD, or we can say that draw one diagonal. Draw diagonal BD, or you can draw AC also. Okay, any one diagonal or to join. What is the BD? Okay, this is the construction. So what construction we did here? Draw diagonal BD, or you can say join BD. Clear? Or you can write draw diagonal BD. Clear? So now if you draw this diagonal BD in a quadrilateral, we get 2 triangles, right? So this by diagonal will divide a quadrilateral into 2 triangles, right? So you can see here ADB is one triangle and BDC is another triangle, right? In quadrilateral ABCD, if you draw one diagonal, see diagonal will bisect this, correct? So one is the ADB triangle and another triangle is the BDC triangle, 2 triangles. Clear? Using this you have to write the proof. So this is a construction. Clear? Now we are going to write the proof. Now by using these 2 triangles, so this is angle D. Okay, this is angle D. Now write proof. So first you have to consider the 2 triangles. The 2 triangles are here. One is the ADB triangle. So in triangle ADB, okay, in triangle ADB. Now you have to see only the triangle ADB triangle. See ADB. How many angles are there here? So one is angle A. This is angle A, but here it is not angle is bisected by the diagonal BD, right? So now we cannot say this is the angle D. Okay? Now we can read like this. See, only in ADB triangle we get angle, this angle, right? You can see this. This is the angle, correct? This is the angle ADB. Okay, this is what ADB angle. It's not angle D. So this is the half of angle D. Half of angle D. That means, see, the figure is like this. Actually, this is angle D. Now BD is a diagonal. We draw one diagonal BD. So what happens? Angle, this line is this diagonal bisect angle D. Bisect the angle D means bisecting means it divides an angle into two equal parts. Here this line will divide an angle into two equal parts. Okay, this is a bisector. Okay, that is what bisector. Bisector means divides an angle into two equal parts. So here this is the diagonal, right? PD is a diagonal, divides an angle into two parts. Okay? Here we get angle, this one. So in a proof we considered triangle ADB. Which triangle? ADB triangle. So now you have to see only the triangle ADB. So now see, consider the angles. See, ADB triangle, that we can see the three angles. So that you have to write. You know, sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. In triangle, if you add all the angles, we will get the 180 degree. Means this angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So sum of these three angles, sum of angles of triangle is always the 360 degree. Sorry, is always the 180 degree. Clear? So this is triangle. So triangle, sum of three angles of triangle is a 180 degree. So now in ADB triangle, you can say that sum of three angles of this triangle is a 180 degree. Okay? Now we will consider the angles. First angle is, see, one is a angle A, and another one half of angle B. This is half of angle B, right? So how we can read this? Now we will write first angle A. Okay, we want to write angle A. So how to write? DAB. So if you are writing angle A, that comes in middle. Okay, so DAB, angle DAB plus angle ADB. So we are considering this angle should be made in the middle. So ADB, angle ADB plus one more angle, that is angle B. So we can write this as ABD, or we can write DBA. Okay, we can write ABD or we can write DBA. So we write now ABD. Okay, this is angle BDA. Okay, the total we get 180 degree. Equation number 1. Clear? Angle DAB plus angle ADB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 degree. Clear? That we can consider as equation number 1. Okay, now see here. We can consider another triangle. What is another triangle? That is the BDC triangle. Which triangle? BDC triangle. So in triangle BDC, now you have to see triangle BDC. Okay? BDC. In triangle BDC, how many angles are there here? 3 angles, right? So this is the half of angle D. Here also this is half of angle B, and one more angle is a C. Correct? So this is the angle C. Now, you know, in this triangle, if you add 3 angles of a triangle, if you add these 3 angles, we will get a 180 degree. In all the triangles, the sum of the angles of any triangle is a 180 degree. So now add each angle. So we can get angle BDC. Which angle? BDC BDC. Clear? So angle BDC plus BDC plus next angle, this over angle D over. Now we have to write this angle, right? So how to write this? DCB, or you can write BCD. Can you see BCB? You can write BCB plus remaining angle is this angle, right? How to write this? BDBC, or you can write CBD. Okay, you can write BBC, we can say that BCBD. See the figure? Then you can understand CBD. Okay, CBD. So what is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. So this is the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now see the figure. ABC is the quadrilateral. So what we need to prove? We need to prove that the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral, sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So if you add all the angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, so total you must get 360 degree. Clear? Finally you must get answer 360 degree. But so this triangle and this triangle you have to add. To get 360 degree, you have to take this part, means ADB triangle and BDC triangle. So these two triangles you have to add. Clear? Then you get quadrilateral. Correct? So now you know angle A and angle C plus angle A, angle C. Similarly, you add this also, right? Angle D, angle B. All the angles you have to add. Then you get answer 360 degree. So now see the figure. You can understand this. ADB. See this half of angle D, right? So this angle, if you want, you can reconcile angle 1 and this is angle 2. Okay? If you add angle 1 plus angle 2, we get the full angle, that is angle D, right? Angle 1 plus angle 2, we get angle D. Correct? So this part and this part. If you add, we get the angle D. We want angle D. Similarly, we want angle B. So what you have to do? You have to add this angle plus this angle. Means this we can consider 3. This is 4. So if you add 3 plus 4, you get your angle D. Clear? Now see the figure. Angle 1 means ADB, right? ADB plus what is angle 2? See the figure. Angle 2 means BDC or CDB. Clear? Can write the CDB also or BDC also. Means angle 1 plus angle 2. You have to add angle 1 plus angle 2. So that means we get ADB plus BDC. We have to add ADB plus. So therefore what we get? Angle ADB. Correct? To get full angle D, you have to add this half angle D, half angle D. Clear? So that is ADB plus BDC. Or we can say that CDB. Okay? BDC. Okay? If you add, you get answer. These two angles, if you add, we get angle, full angle, that is ABC. Correct? That is angle ABC. Angle ABC. Half of angle D means ADB plus BDC. Together, if you add, we get angle ABC. Clear? ABC. Now, similarly, see the another angle, angle 3 and angle 4. See here, angle 3 and angle 4. ABD, angle ABD plus DBC, angle DBC. To add angle 3 and angle 4, we get ABC. This full angle we get, that is angle B. Here, angle B. So how to write this? You can write like this. Say ABD. See the figure. quadrilateral, see ABD, this angle plus this angle means CBD or DBC. Clear? So this angle CBD plus CBD, that can be written as, so these two angles, we wrote sum of these two, we get ABC. Clear? We get angle ABC. Okay? ABC. Now, see equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what happens if you add equation number 1 and equation number 2? So that you can get a 360 degree answer. Angle A plus, angle B plus. You love this. See. Okay, now we write equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So now equation number 1, see here, DAB plus ADB plus ABD. See the left hand side, equation number 1, left hand side is this and right hand side is here 180 degree. Similarly in the equation number 2, left hand side is here this one and right hand side is here 180 degree. So you have to add left hand side. Equation number 1. See the equation number 1. So angles are DAB plus what is that angle? ADB. Same thing you should write here. ADB plus ABD. Here ABD plus now add equation number 2 left hand side. See the left hand side in equation number 2. Here it is angle BDC, angle BDC, okay, BDC plus angle DCB. Here equation number 1 plus equation number 2. Equation number 1 left hand side is this, clear? This is equation number 1. Equation number 2 left hand side this one, clear? BDC plus DCB plus one more, that is CBD, okay? CBD. So now add right hand side, equal sign. See how equal sign in this equation number 1 and 2 is equal sign. Then the right hand side is here 180 degree and equation number 2 also 180 degree. So you have to add 180 degree plus 180 degree. 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now see the left hand side. Left hand side is here DAB plus ADB. Now here it is written ADB plus BDC can be written as ADC. So see here ADB plus BDC can be written as ADC. Clear? So in this equation, is there ADB? Yes. ADB is here. ADB plus BDC. So where is angle BDC? So here is angle BDC. So if you add these two, ADB plus BDC can be written as angle ABC. Clear? So that two angles can be written as this is DAB as it is plus these two angles together we can write it as these two angles can be written as ADC, angle ADC. Clear? These two angles I wrote ADC. Clear? Sum of these two. Next one more angle, see ABD plus CBD. Why we are adding these two? Because to get angle B. So similarly, why we add this angle, these two angles? Because to get angle B. Clear? So now this is over. Now next you have to add angle B. So angle B is here, right? So ABD plus CBD can be written as angle ABC. So now see here, where is the ABD angle? Here it is a ABD angle. Another one CBD. So angle CBD is here, right? So if you add these two angles, angle ABD and CBD, we will get angle ABC. Clear? ABC. Now remaining angles you have to write. So what is the remaining? One is the DAB angle. I wrote already. The DAB means that is angle A. DAB means that angle is A. Clear? So now next remaining angle is your DCB. Clear? So angle DCB. Next clear? So the angle DAB plus ADC. How will you get ADC? Because see here we have to add ADB plus BDC. In figure, if you add ADB and BDC, we get angle ABC. Clear? So similarly, ABC then plus DCB is equal to, you write equal sign as it is equal 180 degree plus 180. 180 plus 180, 360 degree. Correct? 180 plus 180, 360. Clear? So 360 degree. Now see here. This is what a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So finally you want to get angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Total you must get 360 degree. We got 360 degree. Clear? So now what is that angle A? Angle ADAB means angle A. Clear? DAB means here. See the figure and you can understand this. What do you see? Figure and write. Clear? So DAB means angle A. Okay, DAB means angle A. So I wrote here angle A plus ADC. See here ADC means angle D plus angle D plus ABC. ABC that is angle B plus DCB. So you can have here angle C. Clear? So that is equal to 360 degree. It is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360